Previously, our business was very labour intensive, very design intensive. Our volume wasn't high. It relied on me quite a lot.
We've come on board about 12 months ago. We have a standalone residential renovation business. That's not a scalable business, or we find it very difficult to scale that.
You know, the issues and problems that can happen on site with measurements, delays, other trades that can hold us up. We moved away from supply and install a couple of years ago now and just into flat pack only.
More recently, I've felt that the market is shifting, and there definitely are a lot of cabinet makers and builders out there who are looking to get more efficient, get quicker, have somebody who can supply them with a product so you can get it on site very quickly.
There's a huge market out there that's only going to grow bigger.
Essentially, they're almost running a manufacturing facility without having any of the machinery. That's one of the ways we sell it to people, I suppose. They don't have to buy machinery, they don't have to employ staff. We try to be an extension of their business.
They all talk to each other and they're going, hey, this is actually a really viable way to create a business. So they're looking at it with a fresh set of eyes and a fresh direction for the industry. They've got the skill set. They just need a way to make their project come to fruition. So I think the Cabinetry.Online model allows that to happen. Standardisation of the order process is probably the big thing, rather than relying on mud maps from customers.
They've got the flexibility to jump online, go through the ordering system, pick out a bunch of different materials, go through the hardware. It's actually quite a nice journey for us as well as the customer.
They like the visibility. The control is really good from their end, so they can get pricing on the spot, they can make changes, they can access any of their jobs.
They can see exactly what a job's going to come in for.
It was just such an easy transition from someone that had building experience, limited cabinetry experience, to be able to use the system and grow a business from there. It was great.
It is quite scalable, and it's not so dependent on the personnel or people with a specific set of skills. We've found that we can quickly train people into the roles needed.
And now we've got the confidence to not have to have this as a backup to our original cabinet making business. It's like, no, this is a standalone, viable, sustainable model. So let's get really good at that and let's focus on developing that.
Our first sale was wonderful. The first time we sent a flat pack out, that was pretty cool.
So our customer base has just grown and grown sort of organically.
I'd say just in general, knowing that work was coming in, not having that month-to-month worry so much about whether we were going to win a job, but just sleep a bit better at night with it, really. It works really well.